Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. How you guys are doing? I hope everyone's doing great. I hope you had a great day. Yeah. So, are you ready to learn some new vocabulary words? 5 new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Say ready. All right, here we go. The words we are going to learn, it involves a lot of actions like running, jumping, and also climbing, and many action words. Yeah, so we are going to say the word, spell the word, and say the word. Are you guys ready? Here we go. The first word is play. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Very good. The next word is climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. C-L-I-M-B, climb. Very good. The next word is jump. Here we go. J-U-M-P, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Awesome. The next word is run. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Very good. Okay, the final word is ride. R-I-D-E, ride. R-I-D-E, ride. Very good, everyone. Great. Amazing. Those words was not so hard, was it? No, it wasn't. So now, guys, I would like you to take some time and spell the words again right after this video, okay? Keep practicing and you will get better in no time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.